Don't mix up don't mind and don't care, common misuse and how to fix it. Hello language learners. Today, we're going to dive into an important part of conversational English, expressing indifference. Specifically, we'll be discussing the terms don't mind and don't care, two phrases that are often misused by learners. Let's get started. Before we talk about common mistakes, let's make sure we understand these phrases. Don't mind is a polite way to say that you are indifferent to the options presented or that you are okay with whatever is decided. On the other hand, don't care can also express indifference, but it can come off as dismissive or uncaring. Use don't care with caution, as it could potentially hurt someone's feelings or seem rude in certain contexts. Now that we've understood the definitions, let's look at common misuses. Sometimes learners use don't mind when they mean don't care, and vice versa. This can lead to confusion, or even convey a sentiment that was not intended. For instance, saying, "I don't mind about the environment," is incorrect. You should say, "I don't care about the environment." Be careful, though, as this can sound negative, as if you have no concern for the environment at all. Another common error is saying, "I don't care doing the dishes," when the correct phrase is, "I don't mind doing the dishes." This expresses that you are fine with doing the dishes, rather than not caring about the task. Avoiding these mistakes is all about understanding context and the feelings behind the words. If you are indifferent but want to be polite and open, use don't mind. If you want to express total indifference or a lack of concern, remember, this might sound harsh. You can use don't care. Practice using these phrases in different situations to build your understanding and confidence. There you have it, folks. We've demystified don't mind and don't care. Remember, don't mind is more polite and is generally the safer option to use when expressing indifference. Don't care, while also expressing indifference, can seem uncaring or dismissive, so use it wisely. Keep practicing, and you'll avoid these common mistakes in no time. We hope this video has been helpful, and as always, keep up your hard work in learning English.